Okay, I am here at the airport and getting ready for my flight. I'm on a layover. It's about a 2-hour layover, so I did a little bit of my makeup here, and I'm going to be heading out to Pittsburgh. I'm really excited to meet up with one of my clients, Kiva Brent. We're going to have dinner, and tomorrow is a big day. It's a day of the Cohort event where I am going to be speaking at. So I'm going to take you along with me there. And then the next day, I'm also going to be visiting with one of my friends who is a YouTube creator, Shea, Whitney, who lives in the Pittsburgh area. She's coming out, and we're going to have a nice brunch together. So a fun weekend, hanging out with a bunch of different creators. I'm looking forward to meeting new people. And in between, I'm going to be sneaking in work and trying to get things done. And as you know, as a mom, in some ways, being on a trip like this, even though it's very busy, in some ways, I get extra time to do work. I really do take advantage of that when I'm on trips like this, literally practically working every single minute I can when I'm not with people or doing what I'm supposed to be doing and trying to catch up on work. So I'm going to be editing videos, I'm going to be working on a couple projects that I have going on, and of course talking to my clients. Yeah, this is much better. The only thing is I don't think I love the hand. That's another idea. It's instead of the hand, show some moves. I think that would actually be kind of cool because you don't know what is the moves for. I just got to my hotel. It was a long day. I was up at like 4 a.m. from San Diego to Pittsburgh, could not get a direct flight. So I'm here now, and anybody flying into Pittsburgh, you need to know that there's some major turbulence, and I am still recovering from that. I almost feel like I was gonna throw up, but I'm good, and I'm actually about to head out to dinner. Heading out to dinner, and I will see you soon. Okay, so I am here with Kiva. Hi. One of my clients who I absolutely adore, and we just had dinner, and this is her wife, Anne.
Hello.
And we're just having a nice little Anne Wiener baby sleeping. So I'll be meeting the baby later, but not right now. So this is really cool, guys, because I have literally watched hours of footage of this home, and it's so cool to see it in real life. It's like going to a movie set.
A messy movie set.
A messy movie set. I mean, how cool is this? I love it.
No, that's part of the authentic experience.
Yes, the dog bed and everything. And here we are, having a nice dinner.
And tomorrow for work, I'm speaking on a panel with my YouTube mentor, and she's here.
Yay! And I'm vlogging too.
Yeah. So if you want a YouTube mentor, this is Erika.
Hi. Okay, this is the look. Getting ready to go to the panel. I'm about to get on stage there, and I'm going to be talking all about YouTube. I am with Shea, who organized this incredible event. It is so good.
Platform 2025. Cannot wait to hear from you.
We're operated by Google, so it is the second largest search engine on the web.
You have got to make the video. You've got to edit the video. Then you got to make your thumbnail.
People think like I gotta do a actually in the wrong niche. I'm with Nick, the Dancing Weatherman, and we are talking YouTube strategy. He needs to go all in on YouTube, okay? I'm telling him he needs to go all in on YouTube.
Only if she'll take me.
All right, let's see, let's see. Dancing bird. Okay, I'm back at my room. I just needed to take a break. I am gonna go run and get coffee because there's no coffee in the afternoon, and I always have to have my afternoon coffee. But it went great. It was super informative, telling people how amazing YouTube is. I'm telling people, you've got to get onto YouTube. YouTube is the best platform there is. You make the most amount of money on YouTube, and a lot of people there were like, yeah, I'm not making as much money as I wanted to on TikTok and Instagram. I'm like, yeah, you gotta get onto YouTube. So I'm always like, I feel like when I'm talking at these things, it's the same message. Get onto YouTube, get onto YouTube. Yes, it takes work. Yes, it takes time. But the ROI you're gonna get at the end of the day is just like none other. So yeah.
Hi, I'm so glad you love it. Quick question. I'm almost feeling like we should change that title.
I would definitely lean more into the minimalism here instead of the speed review. All right, I am walking to get coffee in Pittsburgh. So I get a chance to be outside and enjoy this nice weather. I was a little afraid that it was going to be kind of cold and freezing, but it's actually very pleasant. So this would be like what it is now in Pittsburgh in end of March would be probably like the coldest week in January in San Diego. So not too bad actually, quite pleasant. But I still want my afternoon coffee. But look how pretty that is. That church. My friend Shea on YouTube.
Yes.
And
we are meeting for the second time.
Yes.
But anyway, I'm from Pittsburgh, so she obviously is here. So of course I'm going to see her.
Yes. She drove an hour
to the airport
to come see me, and we're having a lunch, and we talk about
everything. Literally.
Everything. Well, we've been friends for how many years?
Like 9. Isn't that crazy? 9? I did your podcast, I think, 9 years ago.
Wow. And the rest is history. 9 years as friends. Last year she came to San Diego. That was the first time we met in person.
Yes. And we hit it off. We knew.
Yeah. Well, we talk all the time.
Yeah.
But she lives in Pittsburgh. I live in San Diego. Why would I come to Pittsburgh? That's what I've always said. Like, I'll never come to Pittsburgh.
And then here you
are.
I
am.
I know. I really thought you truly would never come to Pittsburgh.
I thought so too.
Yeah.
You're like, you're one of the reasons. Well, one of the reasons I came is to see Shea. That's so nice. I know. Yes. So we're just chatting about YouTube, about life, kids,
all kinds of stuff.
Babies.
Yeah. Not my babies. I have no more babies for me.
Well, talking about your babies, your sons. We're talking about them.
Yes.
So, and all the fun things.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Cool. Well, I'm glad I'm in this video.
My vlog. Okay. I'm here at Dallas Airport and I've got a layover, so I won't be home for a while. Probably not till 10 o'clock tonight. So it's a long trip, but worth it. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.